If you do that first, then you can carry on with this video. Hi guys, thanks for dropping in. Welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. This is just a little clip all about DABRABBIT graphics. DABRABBIT.co.kr produce some fantastic graphics. For those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you'll see that I've had numerous graphics kits from them, and this is the latest one I've had done for my 890 Adventure R. As you can see, there's customization available. You can always choose that from the options when you order, or just send them an email and they'll work out something for you to tailor it to your needs. But I'm pretty well chuffed with the little additions I've got, as you'll see from the following kits. There is a discount code which I'll put in the comment section, details of the video. But if you put this code in, you should be able to get an extra discount on any order. So check it out. Really good stuff. Every DABRABBIT kit I've removed with a hairdryer has left the bike pristine. Check it out.